Molweni guys, igama lami ngithobile uMakhumalo kwaMseleko niyangazi-ke ngizikhuphukela ngoshumi iProsidine. Namhlanje nginiphathele a brand new Promune effervescent tablets. Lena ke ekusiza ukuthi mawazi kuza isizini yeflu uvela ubuyiqalelela mfethu uprevent yonke into eza ngakwena. Nami ngithe mangivuka namhlanje kwathiwa kuflu eza kwena kulezi insuku. Ngase ngithi nami athi ngikhuphuke ngaloshuni. Anganoma iswine flu noma iCovid noma yini nokungena doctor kuthiwa kuyazidingelela nje egameni lami. So namhlanje ngithe nama ngizame ngalo bafethu nango bafethu.
Enza njani ubaba? Ngizomtshengisa
Manje uzohlala ninga. Izohlala nathi.
ezokuceba kubona.
Manje sine. Preventing
Oh guys, molweni namkelekile nonke back to Ezichisa Bay Entertainment. So after episode 21 of Uthando Nesithembu, ininzi guys into ethethisileyo. Honestly speaking, nanku ke noMakhumalo udecide into yoba make ndityumpantyumpeke in these negative trends. She decided the first video endindifakele yona ke uye wafaka yona advertiser into ye-flu, but i-caption ithi uma ufuna ukuba mkhulu empilweni hayi ngokomzimba, here's the plug. Automatically abantu, they were thinking i-caption and what you're advertising, they do not go together. Automatically abantu were like, why are you body shaming uMacele? Because she's the last person ke obviously othethe ngayo wak exposer. Why are you body shaming another woman like that? It's so unlike you. Why do you have to stoop so low and be advertised and be writing ama captions akanjalo? So people were even saying nawe ku last episode ye watch into ba you are not an Instagram person, nama captions that umsele ben wakhalazela noma ngwabe, but today you are the same person throwing shade njani sisi. So she responded to someone and said ay ngisetohweni lana, you understand, and she put on the laughing emojis. Khona ke obviously abebembuza ngengane, and one person basically said ingane yona, and she responded and said nayo ingane ingayithatha. But obviously that person was not asking ukuthi ingane can they use leya medicine leya to stop the flu from attacking them. But ke uThobile was just like, you know what, I'm not going to entertain this. Then ke khona nomnye oye wathi you need to address the elephant in the room. Then ke wathi akazo addressa Nixie. The only person who is responsible for addressing anything regarding abantwana bakhe is lo muntu oyiqale conversation. She said she is not going to be addressing anything. She's not going to deny. She's not going to say yes, I know about it. Umuntu oyiqalileyo ingxoxo must be the person ozoqhubeleka nayo. So yeah guys, that was the first video. The second video guys, nje hleke ndawa phansi uMpumelelo imitating utatakhe ke after ke kwi last episode bethetha no Sne uba Sne kanti awupreventing ngani, Sne is pregnant with her fourth child. Imagine guys, akachatanga lo muntu, akasebenzi, in fact not ba akawufuna umsebenzi, she's against working. And so uTadomselek was really frustrated and even went as far as asking Sne aw preventing ngani. I did see there were some people who are having issues with the video itself, saying that Umpumelelo is the last person to come for Sne because bona bayafana, they keep on betting izingane behlele ekhaya bengashadile, so there's nothing more important about him. He should not be looking down on Sne. Khona ke abathi he is really disrespectful. Ujoyina uTirelo noMpilo in disrespecting abazali. They don't take abazali seriously, especially because this is a serious matter according to the viewers. Umpumelelo should not have imitated Utarum Selegu. So honestly, guys, honestly speaking, the video kampumelelo and tatanga serious. I know Utarum Selegu probably laughed it off. He is a content creator at the end of the day. I don't think he would have any issues about the video, but obviously, guys, I'm a viewer. Abona ngendlela abona ngayo, and so therefore they are saying Umpumelelo is actually quite disrespectful. Furthermore, akamanga apho waposta nasi sithombe ke sana then ke watsho the very same famous line kana Nomseleko into basilala nabo kodwa abathini abakhulele baningi esilala nabo wesine kodwa abakhulele aw preventing ngani wena sine. So obviously a lot of viewers do not react positively to that statement made by Urarum Selek, especially because he is a married man. So why should he be saying baning alala nabo? Does he not have only 4 wives? Why would he say that? So after obviously a postile naye Umpumelelo and said that, the viewers were just like, you are so disrespectful, you are just like your father, you don't see anything wrong unless a statement osbale apa. You cannot be saying such things about women and noglala nabo bebaningi and then abakhulelwe. I don't know how to put it, but yeah. So yeah, guys, inazo ke indaba ze horror. What are your thoughts, Dexela? Please must engage and surely I will see you shortly. Bye, guys.